Clothes vocabulary in English. Coat. Jacket. Shirt. T-shirt. Sweater. Jumper. Trousers. Jeans. Shorts. Skirt. Dress. Suit. Socks. Shoes. Trainers. Sandals. Boots. Scarf. Gloves. Hat. Cap. Glasses. Belt. Pajamas. Swimsuit. Raincoat. Uniform. Tie. Hoodie. Tights. Backpack. Bag. Watch. Jewelry. Ring. Earrings. Necklace. Bracelet. In English, some clothes words are always plural. That means we use a plural verb with them. For example, my suit is new. Suit is singular. But these trousers are old. Trousers is plural. Her jeans are blue. Jeans is plural. We don't say a trouser or a jean. We say a pair of trousers, a pair of jeans, a pair of shorts. Next, let's learn some common verbs we use with clothes. Wear. She wears a coat in winter. Get dressed. She gets dressed after she showers. Put on. He puts on his shoes. Take off. He takes off his jacket. Try on. She tries on the dress. Change. She needs to change into something more formal. Dress up. She dressed up for the wedding. Dress down. It's Friday, so they can dress down at work. Carry. He carries a backpack. Hang up. She hangs up the shirt. Wash. She washes my clothes every Sunday. Iron. She irons her dress. Fold. She folds clothes. Pack. She packs clothes for her trip. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson, and happy learning!